Now equation of the tangent to the curve y equal fx at the point x1 comma y1. Let it is a curve and it is a point x1 comma y1, and we have to find equation of tangent at this point. We know that equation of line passing through one point x1 comma y1 is given by y minus y1 equal m x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line. Since slope of tangent is equal m equal dy by dx at this point x1 comma y1, then equation of tangent becomes is equal y minus y1 equal value of m, which is dy by dx, and x minus x1. Now if equation of tangent is parallel to x-axis, now first case, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, or we can say tangent is parallel to x-axis means perpendicular to y-axis. Then since equation of tangent is parallel to x-axis, then equation of tangent then equation of tangent is in the form parallel to x-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis is given by y equal a. parallel to x-axis y equal a and parallel to y-axis x equal a. Then equation of tangent is in the form y equal a. Then slope of tangent we know that slope of tangent equal dy by dx means it is y equal a, then slope of tangent is dy by dx. Differentiate this term with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal 0. Means when equation of tangent is parallel to x-axis or perpendicular to y-axis, then slope of tangent is equal 0. Case 2. If tangent is perpendicular to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, if tangent is parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis. Parallel to y-axis means perpendicular to x-axis. Then equation of tangent is in the form equation of tangent is equal parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Equation of line parallel to y-axis is given by x equal a. Then equation slope of tangent differentiate it with respect to x, we get dx with respect to y, dx by dy equal 0. Then slope of tangent, so it is dx by dy equal 0. Then slope of tangent, it is not slope of tangent, we get dx by dy equal 0, and slope of tangent is given by dy by dx. And if dx by dy equal 0, then dy by dx equal infinite. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, then slope of tangent is equal infinite. It is second case.